Hi everyone and welcome to FreeWebToolkit. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a white border to your image using Canva. So let's get started. Okay, so I created this design on Canva and I will be using this image for this tutorial. You can use your own image, just upload it to Canva and make sure it has a transparent background. Now click on the image and then edit image. On the search box we will look for an effect called shadows. So click on the effect, and if you haven't used it before, you'll need to connect it before using it. Anyway, then choose the glow effect and click to see controls. And here we will customize the settings for this effect. First, let's increase the transparency to 100, then decrease the blur to 0, and increase the size of our border to something around 14. The last thing we want to do is to change the color. I will be using the white color, but you can choose any color. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For more tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to check our free online tools website. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.